Gold na yan. Yes, dalawa nga. Andyan din yung mailbox. Ay, hindi binigay yung mailbox. We're here! I'm so excited, Matthew. Wow!
Wow, what a new house.
Thank you, Lord. Remove your shoes. Remove your shoes. Wow! Wow! Nice! Let's take a picture here, Matt. We are here in the new house. Welcome to our house. Okay. New house for Matthew Choi. This is our jacket. Jacket. Dito natin sasampay yung mga jackets natin. Saka shoes ni Matthew Choi. And ito ang living room. Tapos dito yung dining. Tapos meron siyang powder room. Yan. Napasok sa doon. Tapos ito ang favorite ni Matthew. Jacket sa labas. We have another jacket ulit! Yay! Lalagyan ng mga jacket. Jacket. Ito yung... Ay, wala. Mahirap naman ito. Ayan, basta dyan na yan. Ito yung... Wow! Okay. Tayo. Washer dyan. Tapos ito yung... Ang dami natin nalagyan. Meron tayong nalagyan ng mga kaldero. Diba? So, ito ang ating, yung doon sa kabila, walang may tubig. Filtered water dito, wala. Yan. Oh, brand new to. Brand new! Kahit na tapos ayan. Tapos ayan, ito yung ating
Wow.
Come here, man! What you look at this, oh? Wow! Like it, Matt? Yes. Tapos, dito tayo sa taas. Let's go upstairs. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing. Yay! Okay, let's go upstairs. This is your new house, Matt? You like it? Tapos dito natin lalagay yung puon natin, diba? Diba? May bintana dyan. Oh, diba? Ito yung room ni Matthew, a master bedroom. And, ito yung banyo. Matthew, you have bathtub na! I'm so happy for you, man! May bathtub na si Matthew. Oo. Tapos may mga drawer pa, oh. Doon sa kabila, alam. May drawer pa maliit. Tapos, ito yung closet. Yung dressing room. Pwede. Diba, Matt? That's nice. Then, let's go to laundry area. Ito ang laki na. Ano niya, no? Hallway niya. Uy, binuksan na niya yun. Ito yung ating labahan. O, diba?
Yay, Samsung yan.
Yay, Samsung. Tapos meron siyang lalagyan pa dito. Wow! I like it, Matthew Joy. And this is for Tito's room. This is for Tito's room. And this is his closet. Diba? And this is for Ate's room. Yay! And you look at outside, Matt. You can see the house. Hindi ako pwede mag-uwan. And this is Ate's closet. And where's Ate's washroom? Over here. Yeah. Meron din silang bathtub. And meron silang lalagaran ng towel.
Ay, meron pala.
Okay, let's go down to the basement. Let's go to the basement. Okay. Ay, andun pala sa baba yung gatas. Are you happy, man? Okay. Oh. We're so happy, Lord. Finally. Yay! Okay, we're gonna go to basement. Garage, look, hideout. Dito tayo sa basement. Ayan. And playground din ni Matthew Toy. Look at this. Ang taas ng basement nila, di ba? Wala na, ginawa ito para sa kanila, no? So, ayan. Papagawa natin siya ng dalawang kwarto. May kusina, may laundry area din. Oh, that's all. Belmont Community! Thank you!